got a big goddamn problem with the news. You ready for this? The news is completely manipulated. Everything you hear every single day is designed by corporate media to do one thing and one thing only. To keep you living in fear. Total fear. Fear so you'll go out and spend money on things you probably don't even need, things you probably already have six of, so that their advertisers can keep buying ads on their stations. I'll tell you one more thing. You ready for this? I'll do this all day, man.
Your body heals itself. Fear is what they feed on, so they want you to work and go work for some system, so they can get your soul to be controlled. You gotta capture and enslave, free. We got your food and we got your living, your shelter. Then we can control you, because you're gonna go do what we tell you. These entities, they're very smart, but they're not smart as you got. You got this. Any of y'all struggling, I do this for free. For nature. I am nature boy and nature is my mother, and I love you for free. It don't cost nothing when it comes off the tree. It ain't got no price tag when it come off the vine. It ain't got no price tag because it's free. Shout out to all my light workers out there. People that actually face these demons for real and not just trying to make some money to get some boxes. You cannot serve nature and serve money. So if anybody try to charge you to heal you, they are far and they are part of capitalism. It don't cost nothing to get healed because the body heals itself.
You're taking your skills and your talents and everything you have now and making it into something you want it to be. You're no longer living your life for somebody else or somebody else's dreams or what somebody else wants. You're living it for your dream and what you want. And you're taking all your skills and all your talents to create it at this time.
You know why initiation is so hard in ancient Egypt and ancient Greece and Mesopotamia, and the priests and the priestesses that were there, they were only the badass ones. Do you know how hard it is to be initiated? I'm talking about the real deal. You know how hard it is to be initiated as the real deal.
The elite ain't the elite, they're parasites running, hosting bodies. They tap into the body and control the body. The actions that you're seeing are these parasites. But guess what? Their time is up. We here. It's time for y'all to go. Y'all can't be anybody. Your poor soul hate life, hate going to work, hate clock. You hate it, don't you? They know you do. They don't give a damn. Because they need you. They need you to power their system. When we going home, we gonna fight on demons. Our parents not knowing. They had parasites. Love casts out all fear. Your body knows itself. Fear is what they feed on. So they want you to work and go work for some system so they can get your soul to be controlled. You gotta capture and enslave, free. We got your food and we got your living, your shelter. Then we can control you because you're gonna go do what we tell you. These entities are very smart. They're very smart, but they're not smart as you got. You got this. They got a right to survive, but they belong to something else. See, when a lion eats meat, it has a short intestine, so what it eats comes out of its body very quickly. When you eat meat, it sits there and allows these entities, because your intestines is very long. But a meat eater has a short intestine, so it gets those parasites out easily. But see, you're not made to eat pus, salt, all these things. The body doesn't even digest veggies. They listen to your thoughts. They are your thoughts. They give you your thoughts. Listen to this. You can hear them if you sit by yourself.
Everything they teach you is in reverse. Left is literally right, right is literally left. Left is literally right, right is literally left. Up is literally down, down is literally up. This is how they keep you off balance. By telling you every day is the complete opposite of what it really is.
You gotta really know your shit, you know what I'm saying, when you come in here, because if not, you get lost. The spells that they have implemented over this realm is too powerful. The spells are very, very powerful. It's spells that are intact that can make whole situations look like they exist and don't even exist.
Your body knows itself. Fear is what they feed on, so they want you to work and go work for some system so they can get your soul to be controlled. You gotta catch and enslave free. We got your food and we got your living, your shelter, then we can control you. Because you're gonna go do what we tell you. These entities are they're very smart, so they're not smart as you got. You got this. Any of y'all struggling, I do this for free.
Is this the kind of man who would crawl over the ice to go and join an army which will come from Parasites? If he is not, then go look and search for such a man. Go and join an army, said the prophet of Israel, because no one will be able to stop that army until it reaches Jerusalem. Go and join an army, said the prophet of Israel.
मेरी उम्मत बारिश है, my ummah is like the rain. ये नहीं जानता क्या पहले बारिश बेहतर है या आखिर. I do not know which shower is better, the first or the last. The last shower of rain will come from that part of the world which is Pakistan, and now you can add the Muslims of India as well, and the Muslims of Bangladesh, South Asia.
If you believe that you can survive in the cities, you should buy a one-way ticket to the moon. 20 million people in a city, 50 million people in a city. Who's going to feed them? Where are you going to get your food from? What's going to be the price of that food? Get out of the cities while still there is time. Go to where rain falls. Go to where there is water, so that you can survive the storm that is coming. If you believe that you can survive in the cities, you should buy a one-way ticket to the moon.
You should be more careful next time. Your parents don't have insurance, so if you get hurt again, they'll probably lose their home and have to live outside on the street.
Why are all these people paying taxes when they have no recourse for their kids to get an education? These lazy, filthy teachers that I have really no respect for. I really don't respect teachers. I don't respect them at all. Most of them, they're incredibly lazy, and I have no respect for them. They refuse to work, and they still refuse to go to work. Things are just collapsing on an exponential level.
If you believe that you can survive in the cities, you should buy a one-way ticket to the moon. 20 million people in a city, 50 million people in a city. Who's going to feed them? Where are you going to get your food from? What's going to be the price of that food? Get out of the cities while still there is time. Go to where rain falls. Go to where there is water, so that you can survive the storm that is coming.
Son, it's magnificent. I cannot believe that my whole life I have missed this elegant splendor. It's glorious. It's wondrous.
You are. You are who you think you are. You are the mage. You are the witch. You are the alchemist. You are the magician. You are the, whichever practice. You are a shaman. Whichever practice, whichever magical practice you think you are, or you believe you can do. It is you.
Being creative is part of our blood, it's part of the DNA. It's what makes us special. It's our competitive advantage to the rest of the world. I think that a lot of our wealth is in our arts. Being creative is part of our blood. It's part of the DNA. It's what makes us special. It's our competitive advantage to the rest of the world. I think that a lot of our wealth is in our arts. There's cartels, like in the music industry, there's certain men who control who is successful, who's not, you know?
The soul knows all truths. It cannot be lied to. This is why when shit don't feel right, don't sound right, you feel it in your gut, right? That's your soul. Because it knows all truth. It cannot lie to you. The vibrations coming from your soul. This is why when shit don't feel right, don't sound right, you feel it in your gut, right? That's your soul. Because it knows all truth. It cannot lie to you. The soul knows all truths. It cannot be lied to. This is why when shit don't feel right, don't sound right, you feel it in your gut. gut, right? That's your soul. Because it knows all truth. It cannot hide truth.
The secret agent of light. You're the hidden agent. The secret agent of light. On the outside, do not seem spiritual. You're the hidden agent. The secret agent of light. On the outside, do not seem spiritual. You're the hidden agent. The secret agent of light. On the outside, do not seem spiritual. You're the hidden agent. The secret agent of light. On the outside, do not seem spiritual. You're the hidden agent. The secret agent of light. On the outside, do not seem spiritual. You're the hidden agent. The secret agent of light. On the outside, do not seem spiritual. You're the hidden agent. The secret agent of light.